realtor in Pune. Today we are going to explore one of the luxurious projects in Koregaon Park with the name The Resort.
Let's see the modular representation of this project. This project is totally built up in 4.25 acres where you will get commercial as well as residential plots. There will be two towers, that is C and B. In C tower you will get 4 BHK exclusive. On per floor you will be getting 4 flats, and in 3 BHK where you will get on per floor 6 flats. The amenities are given at top floor, ground floor and at the podium level. For this project you will be getting 2 entrances. Now I will be taking you to the exact sample flat of 3 BHK. For that the carpet area is 1413. You will be getting 8 into 4 feet pine wood door with digital lock and video cam of One Touch brand. As soon as you enter you will get spacious lobby for your privacy, and the dimension of this lobby is mentioned on the screen. In this project there is butterfly concept. As soon as you enter at right side you will be getting 2 bedrooms, one is kids and one is master, and opposite to that you will be getting guest bedroom. So this is your living space where you can see the space they have provided. Here you will be getting 10 plus ceiling height. Adjacent to the living space here is dining space. The dining space is so huge that you can place here 8-seater dining as per your taste, and you can customize as per. And developer is also providing you GDU doors which is 90% soundproof. Along with the living you will be getting 3-sided cover, spacious deck. In this project we have open kitchen concept. Developer is providing you fully loaded modular kitchen where you will be getting granite flooring, chimney and hob, shelves and the cabinet also. Here they have given you extra space. You can plan or you can place your fridge or oven as per you want. This is the utility area where you can place easily a dishwasher and a washing machine. Here you will be getting a sink. If you want something you can plan, and it is very well planned. They have given you the breakfast table. If you want you can plan accordingly. Left to the kitchen there is guest bedroom, but before entering that you can check the washroom of the guest bedroom where you can check the sanitary fittings and glass partition. This is your spacious guest bedroom, and the dimension of the guest bedroom is provided on the screen. So this is the wardrobe they have placed, and here is the working space. You can plan accordingly your interiors. They have also provided you the coffee based space near to the window. Do subscribe my YouTube account for more such real estate content, and also follow my Insta account. Just now we checked the guest bedroom. Now we have to check the kids bedroom. And the dimension of this bedroom is also mentioned on the screen. You can check the space over here which is provided, and here also you are getting coffee based space. You can plan wardrobe as well in this space. Opposite to kids bedroom there is common washroom. You can check with the glass partition and sanitary fittings of Trend quality and CP fittings of Grohe. Let's explore master bedroom. As soon as you enter to the master bedroom you will be getting foyer area for your privacy, and this is your spacious master bedroom with wall to wall window. There is a cute little space where you can plan as your working space, and here a wardrobe. They have also provided you space to plan here dressing table, and the master bedroom comes with an attached washroom with glass partition, as well as you can check the fittings. If you enjoyed the sample tour, then do contact on the given number for site visit and get in touch.